वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एग्रीकल्चर एंड जीके। आज मैं आप लोगों से एएसआरबी नेट का कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ। वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हो तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर भी कर दीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Something similar to the dialog box that appears with the information, warning and error message or the request for confirmation to execute a command। इसका मतलब क्या है कि जब भी कुछ नोटिफिकेशन आते रहते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो आपका सिक्योरिटी है वो इट विल बी आस्किंग वेदर टू कनेक्ट द पेन ड्राइव, इस तरह का क्वेश्चंस होते रहते हैं ना, उस मैसेज उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज पॉपअप। ऑप्शन बी। What is active desktop का मतलब क्या है? ये तो a term that is synonymous with viewing your desktop as a web page, ये भी करेक्ट है, and a feature to customize your desktop to display information you can update from the internet। जो both of the things will be correct। ऑप्शन सी है। Active window का मतलब क्या है? Active window is designed by the different color toolbar than other open windows। The window is currently open। ये दोनों भी एक्टिव विंडो ही कहला जा सकते हैं। अमेरिका ऑनलाइन AOL, इसको क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है? इट डिस्प्लेस द प्रोपेंशरी इंफॉर्मेशन जो क्रिएट किया है AOL से। द प्रोपेंशरी इंफॉर्मेशन इंक्लूड्स क्या क्या इंक्लूड होते हैं इस पे? न्यूज इंक्लूड होते हैं, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, होमवर्क फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, चैट, लाइन, सब कुछ ही इंक्लूड होते हैं। इट इज वाइडली यूज्ड ऑनलाइन सर्विस ऑफरिंग एक्सेस सर्विस टू द इंटरनेट। ऑल ऑफ द अबव व्हिच इज मेंशन्ड आर ट्रू है। एन एप्लीकेशन का मतलब ए वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग, अकाउंटिंग एंड इंजीनियरिंग प्रोग्राम्स आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम है। कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम डिजाइन टू एनेबल द यूजर्स टू परफॉर्म द स्पेसिफिक जॉब फंक्शंस, दोनों भी एप्लीकेशन का है पार्ट्स है। बिटमैप किसको बोलते हैं हम? बिटमैप को इट इज अ फॉर्मेट विच विंडोज यूज फॉर डेस्कटॉप वॉलपेपर, ए ग्राफिक फाइल फॉर्मेट मेड अप ऑफ स्मॉल डॉट से बना हुआ है, एंड स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ बिटमैप फाइल विद द .bmp एक्सटेंशन होते हैं ना, ये भी बिटमैप ही है। ऑल ऑफ द एबो। The term briefcase is used for, किसके लिए ये यूज करते हैं? ये तो स्पेशल फोल्डर है। इट इज ऑन द विंडोज डेस्कटॉप, यूज्ड टू कीप द डॉक्यूमेंट्स अप टू डेट व्हेन शेयर्ड बिटवीन द कंप्यूटर्स। सो ब्रीफकेस को स्पेशल फोल्डर कहला जा सकते हैं। बटन, ए बटन इज ए कमांड दैट एक्टिवेट्स द ऑप्शन, हाँ ये भी करेक्ट है। लाइक ए वन ऑन द हाउसहोल्ड appliance and perpetrates an action, a graphical representation of an option। All of the above are correct। A channel in a Windows terminology क्या है? ये तो specialized website designed to work with the Windows 98 subscribing feature to automatically download the information from the internet and store in the computer for later viewing। Checkbox, it is with a check mark in it indicates the option is enabled, is required to present the options requiring the individual or on off decisions in a dialog box, appears as a small square ballot box beside an option description। All of the above are correct when it compares to the checkbox। सब कुछ ही correct है। The term classic style क्या imply करते हैं कि you can click on an item to select it and double click on the item to open it, and a folder option setting that tells double click on an item to open it। both of the thing correct ही तो है। अगर एक बार हमने क्लिक किया तो सिलेक्ट होते हैं, अगर दो बार क्लिक किया तो ओपन होते हैं। The term click implies क्या? क्लिक का मतलब क्या है? A quickly push and release the main mouse button when on screen mouse pointer is positioned over the desired item। ऑप्शन ए है। क्लोज बटन का मतलब क्या है? When clicked will close the dialog box, document सब कुछ क्लोज होते हैं। It is located at the right end of the title bar of the most of the windows। ये भी सच है, it will be in the, यही को क्लोज बटन बोलते हैं। Implies for a small button with an X on it। so यही तो है ना, इसीलिए all of the above it is correct। A command button क्या होते हैं? It is one in a dialog box such as open, close, exit, OK or channel that carries out a command। option A। CompuServe, it is nothing but it is a widely used online service that offers access to the internet as well as a proprietary content and the information दोनों भी देते हैं. कर्सर का मतलब पता है, एक कर्सर है symbol that design the position on the screen where text or codes will be inserted or deleted. DBMS का मतलब क्या है? A collection of data है, database management system, a set of programs to access those data, set of programs to update those data. सब कुछ ही correct है. All of the above option D. The meaning of the cut का मतलब to take a selection from the document and move it to the clipboard. A setting or action predetermined by the program unless changed by the user is called as a default है. Option C. A search back group and a main area of Windows where you can open and manage the files and programs. ये तो desktop ही तो है. A dialog box is a one, so इसमें कोई भी answer correct नहीं है dialog box के according. A letter, a memo, proposal or other that is created using Microsoft Word is called as, इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Document बोलते हैं. Microsoft Document, MS Doc. The meaning of the double click is to take a selection from the document and move it onto the clipboard. हमें double click करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? The term drag and drop means to move the text or an object by positioning the mouse pointer on the item you want to move and pressing and holding the mouse button to drop there. जब हम कुछ information को select करते हैं, इसे double click करके उसको हम वहाँ draw करके वहाँ place करते हैं in the new location. The term drag क्या imply करते हैं कि moving on the screen item and selecting the text. A drop down list box इसका मतलब क्या है? It displays a single selected item, but clicking on the little arrow button at the right end of the box causes a list to appear. Can be scrolled through the list and selection of item can be done by clicking on it. It is a compact way to present a list of options in a dialog box. All of this. The default name for the desktop icon that opens an explore window displaying the information about your system's disk drives and also special system folders like printers and control planners. इसका मतलब क्या है? My computer में सब कुछ होते हैं, system का सारा drive, disk, सब कुछ. Dash means to enlarge the window to its maximum area so that it will full entire desktop. ये तो maximize का है. What is HTML? HTML hypertext markup language है. It is developed for World Wide Web. It is used for all the formatted documents and to make the formatted web documents with the links, and those can be viewed in the web browsers. All of the above है. Reversing the video of the image or text block by selection through the menu item or directly through the mouse. इसको क्या कहते हैं? हम तो reverse button बोलते हैं. What is an icon? Icon का मतलब क्या है? It is some action which is performed when something like menu or button is clicked. It is small graphical image which is used to represent an application, command or tool. Both of the things are correct. तभी तो हम icon बोलते हैं ना. What is an ellipse? Ellipse का मतलब ये तो marked menu item or command button used to open the dialog box. It is a punctuation mark, consists of 3 consecutive periods. Both of the above are correct. Dash is an area of memory assigned to store any email message for the user. ये तो mailbox है. Group of letters, numbers, symbols with a common typeface. ये तो font है. Dash is an electronic device that processes data converting into information. हमेशा computer ही तो है. This is the process of getting access to the computer. Login करने से आते हैं. The full stepwise process of closing a computer ये तो shutdown है. A connection from one HTML document to the another HTML document is hyperlink. The device is used to connect your computer with a telephone line so that can access information from other servers and ordinary users too. Said device is called modem. This is an internet forum to discuss wide range of topics like current news, articles, ये सब कुछ डिस्कस होते हैं ना, इसको हम चैटिंग बोलते हैं. ऑप्शन ए. Something similar to the dialog box that appears with the information, warning or error or request for confirmation to execute a command as delete. ये तो मैसेज बॉक्स है. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आते हैं उसको हम पॉपअप बोलते हैं. सो दैट इज गिविंग सम कमांड, इसको हम मैसेज बॉक्स बोलते हैं. Hardware that are easily attached to the computer and can be played instantly are called as plug and play. There is a central file in the Windows operating system that is used to keep a track of information about installed hardware and software and their preferences on specific computer. This file will be called as किसको बोलते हैं तो registry. Option C. And it is the smallest dot that can be uniquely drawn on the computer screen. ये क्या है? Pixel है. स्मॉल डॉट से ज्वाइन होके वो पिक्चर होते हैं. स्मॉल पिक्सल्स विल बी फाइनली फॉर्मिंग द पिक्चर्स. A picture, map or graphic or image that can be used in a document is known as object है. A quick push of the secondary mouse button while the mouse pointer is on the desired object है तो right click है. An operation to retrieve the information, image as well as text which is stored in the clipboard and insert it at a designed place is called as a paste. Option D. Display bar that lists all the open folders and active application ये तो task bar में होते हैं. Option C. There will be large space common in most of the windows which is for users work with that application. इस एरिया को क्या बोलते हैं हम तो वर्क स्पेस और वर्क एरिया बोल सकते हैं. Dash is the list of print jobs waiting to be sent to a particular printer. ये तो print queue है. Option D. A photograph or image or any other visual file which is displayed at a background of the window main icon. इसको हम wallpaper बोल सकते हैं. Obviously ये तो wallpaper ही है. Dash is a process of sending the documents to the storage where they are temporarily stored and remain there until printing them. So it is the print spooling है इस phenomenon को. This is a set of buttons found before options in the dialog box. It is radio buttons है. An interactive tool provided with the Windows operating system to assist the user in installation of software and also in using different features of applications. इसको हम wizards बोल सकते हैं. And multi-purpose window which opens nearly for everything ये तो explorer window है. The feature to customize your desktop to display information that can update from the internet ये तो active desktop है. Exchange of text message and computer files over the network, either local network or LAN or over the wide area network is called as. So इसको none of the above. कोई भी exchange होते हैं ना, हम उसको वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब से exchange करते हैं, उसको कोई भी term यहाँ नहीं दिया है उन्होंने. Computer virus is a computer program. 4GL ये तो procedural language है. What is right? It is a text editor. Which among them is not an application software? Turbo C compiler तो application software नहीं है. One among the following sentences is incorrect. Which is that? All program system always loaded with high memory. ये तो incorrect statement है. What is an operating system का मतलब क्या है? एक तो interface है between whom and whom, user and the computer. It manages all the information. हाँ, ये तो सच है. It does all the process management tasks. सब कुछ ही correct है जो operating system के बारे में उन्होंने दिया है. Which is the most important part of the operating system? एक तो kernel है. Option B. Windows can't be started in one of these modes, which is that ये तो actual mode में बिल्कुल start नहीं होते हैं. Which file contains default.pif file? ये तो Windows directory है. Windows stores all system setting in its file in win.ini form में store होते हैं. फैक्टर मेकिंग विंडोज पॉपुलर, ये तो यूजर फ्रेंडली GUI फीचर्स है. A series of specially designed documents which are all linked to be viewed on internet, ये तो वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब से होते हैं, पॉसिबल है. Which utility other than Wizard ask a lot of questions while creating document for user, ये तो टेम्पलेट क्रिएट करने से ये सब कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. DTP डाटा ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल पैकेजेस cannot do this, ये तो इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी नहीं कर सकते हैं. All real-time systems are online application specific. All application files in a group should reside in, can be anywhere, कहीं भी वो रह सकते हैं. All window application have to be executed in Windows or in the DOS mode only. It depends on application, that is, it will run in the environment in which it was built. Minimize window, what it will do, ये क्या करते हैं कि make it an icon and store on the taskbar. A connection from current document to another document or to document on the world wide web, इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, hypertext link, HTML. The term access time का मतलब क्या है, ये तो elapsed time between the instant when data are called for a storage device and instant when the delivery operation is completed. So उसको हम access time, easily accessible होते हैं ना instantly those data and storage device सब कुछ ही, उसको हम that particular term will be called as access time. ADA का मतलब it is a high level programming language है, developed by the development for the defense. A set of well defined steps for solving a problem in infinite number of operations, एक क्या है, algorithm है. ANSI, ये तो American National Standard Institution है, ये भी सच है. It is an organization that develops and approves standards it is in many fields. Both the options are correct. A mathematically oriented high level language frequently used in time sharing, ये तो APL है. Software designed for specific purpose, ये तो application program है, option B. A computer science branch that is involved in using the computers to solve that appear to require human imagination and intelligence, ये तो artificial intelligence है, obviously, option C. A standard code है used to exchange information among data processing and communication system, ये तो ASCII है. Assembly language, so it lies between high level languages and machine language. It means of communicating with the computer at a lower level, both A and B. A technique in which a number of similar items or transaction B to be processed are grouped and processed in a designated sequences during a machine run, batch processing है, option C. A unit of measuring data transmission speed is called, इसको हम watt बोल सकते हैं, option D है. A storage device which is used to compensate for the differences in rate of flow of data from one device to another device. So उसको हम buffer बोलते हैं. जो भी हम we can see, right, that buffering अच्छी तरह से, like very slowly it will be circling, that will be called buffering. The component of the computer system with the circuitry to control interpretation and execution of instructions, ये तो CPU का काम है. Central processing unit है. A channel is a track on magnetic tape or a band on the magnetic drum. A path for carrying signals between source and destination, दोनों भी correct है. A thin wafer of silicon on which integrated electronic components are deposited, ये तो chip है, आपका chip पता है ना, मोबाइल पे सब कुछ में होते हैं. A device that generates periodic signals to control the timing of all CPU operations, ये तो clock है. A high level language developed for business data processing applications, ये तो COBOL है, COBOL. A computer program that produces a machine language program from a source program, it's usually written in higher language by the programmer, ये तो compiler है. A प्रोसेसिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 और मोर इंटरकनेक्टेड कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क से होते हैं. A comprehensive software system that builds, maintains and provides access to database management system. ये तो database management system option D है. To detect, locate and remove the errors in the program and malfunctioning in the equipment. ये तो debugging है. Expert system is a software that includes the products of research in the field of artificial intelligence. Correct है. A storage base of knowledge in specialized area. Of course it will be correct क्योंकि हम specialized area से ही जो भी expert system जो knowledge based system है उसको convert करके necessary information provide करने का access लगाते हैं expert system को use करने से. The capability to probe this knowledge base and make decision recommendations. All of the above are correct. A type of processing in which a device can act as an information almost instantly to keep up with the events occurring in the outside world. एक तो रियल टाइम प्रोसेसिंग, आप सबको पता है जो भी होते हैं वो इमीडिएट एक्सेस करने के लिए हमें रियल टाइम प्रोसेसिंग चाहिए. ए प्रोग्राम रिटन इन हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज ये तो सोर्स प्रोग्राम है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग टू दिस वीडियो एंड इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर भी कर दीजिए जो भी नेसेसरी पर्सन है उसको. थैंक यू.